But by the way, I just want to ask you, yeah, about what kind of special languages your mother tongue in Bangladesh?
Okay, actually, I'm from Bangladesh, and our mother tongue is Bengali.
Bengali.
Yeah, do you have any idea of Bengali?
No,
Yeah. Our mother tongue is Bengali. English not our mother tongue. English our second language, and English our international language. Definitely, you know that about this matter. So for that, I love this language, and I try to communicate in this language. But our mother tongue is Bengali.
Oh yeah, yeah.
So
But the other
definitely,
question
yeah, I
would
am.
be,
Our mother tongue is Bengali. For that, I am not good at English, but I try to learn it. Okay.
okay, but once again, that I would like to you, in order would like you midnight in Indonesia at the time being. What time in Indonesia? In your country?
Yeah, actually, I'm Limon Hussain from Bangladesh.
Bangladesh is good.
Do
The
you know
reality I
Bangladesh?
have a lot of. Hmm?
Do you know Bangladesh?
No, not yet. Just only on the map. I know about the Bangladesh.
Okay, so please tell again, where are you from?
I am from Banyuwangi Regency, yeah, because in Indonesia it's divided about the province, yeah,
Okay,
Regency,
yeah,
and
yeah.
then East Java, East Java,
Yeah, you are
East
from
Java.
Indonesia, and please tell me again. Yeah. Tell me again. What is your name?
Raden Subarda.
Okay, Raden Subarda.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah. So thank you so much for knocking, and definitely you know that every day and every Friday I make a great conversation with another participant from another country, and every Friday 30 minutes past 9 I make a conversation for improving our speaking skill. That's very important for us, and definitely you know that English is very important language for us. So we try to improving, or we try to actually improving speaking skill. For that I make the conversation, and but seriously, actually, truly honest, I don't know where actually did you get my contact number, and actually how will I make actually how are you knock me actually, uh, could you tell me how get my contact number?
You are what you are? I just want your number.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. Of course, I have known and said that you are station from the community. And the community, and then it's just sign and another about you. And then I know that you have a lot of just like giving some information to all the member over there. And then I try to push it, yeah, because that uh, the reality for me, especially in English at the time being just only feeling on the time, yeah, nothing more. But before, yeah, because now, yes, I think it is better that I am at the time being is 80 years old.
Sorry, 30 years?
Yeah, I am 80 years old.
18 year old.
80,
80.
80.
80.
Yeah, as a old person, yeah, because that I was born as I was born in 1943.
Okay. So, yeah. Right now, your voice is okay.
Yeah, thank you very much. But about your voice and here in my your hearing here, this is very good. Yeah. But I think it is better for you to know exactly because you know that the reality about the English. I realize English because English is an international just language. Yeah.
Right,
That is
right.
why, and that is why start a few years ago, yeah, I studied about that. because that offer and above it is really indicate with my profession, yeah, because as long as my experience in life, I have a lot of experience because that start in 1959 this year, carefully. In 1959, this is the first time I got the job.
Wow.
After that, start at the time, it was at the time, until 5 years, 5 months ago, I never stopped working, even though I have moved from a company and then to move to the other company. So I have a lot of experience about the job, yeah, in my life, yeah.
So it is your first job.
Yeah.
Right now, actually, are you working a team leader on a actually hotel? So it was your first job.
Yes, that's it
Okay.
is. This is the last my job, yeah, because in 1940, in 1959, yeah, the first time when I have got a job is just a shopkeeper. Yeah,
Shopkeeper.
I work in shopkeeper. Yeah, a
Okay.
shopkeeper because this is a Chinese business. Yeah, Chinese business. That is why at the time, yeah, even though it is just only a small language of Chinese, I can speak Chinese because that my boss has a doctor and then his son. Yeah, I study about the Chinese language at the time. I working in this shop around starting 1959 until 1975. Try to imagine how many years? More than 15 years. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
After that,
Got it.
uh, after that, after that, I decided I just would like to be a government official. I struggle hard, and lucky I was at the time. I train, from my place to the Bali. You know about the Bali Island. Oh, Bali Island is one the island that is a lot of tourism. Yeah, calling there because it is a beautiful island in
But
Indonesia, Bali.
Bali, actually, I don't know what is mean of Bali.
Oh, yeah. Maybe you can find out the Bali. If you would like to that, just try to open on a Google, and then you have to write down Bali, Indonesia, and then over there, yeah, I will. You will get a lot of information about Bali. At the time, I've been as a forestry department official. Do you understand that? Forestry.
Forest.
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 Okay.
Yeah,
Yeah.
forestry department. Yeah, over there. Yeah,
Yeah, I got
I've
it.
been
But
over there.
yeah, I don't know about what is mean of Bali. But yeah, I will try to find out what is mean of Bali by the Google. Okay.
Okay. Then I stay over there. It is around start in 1975 until 18 until 1983.
Okay.
Try to imagine how many years? Maybe around near 8 years at the time. 8 years per that. But I'm so sorry because at the time about the salary between the private business and then the government business, if we're talking about the salary, it is higher in private business job.
Wow.
Yeah, in Indonesia as government at the body terlalu is a little bit just like under of the standard life at the time. That is why until maybe 8 years I've been over there, I decided just like to off from this department. Yeah, I back to my place in Java, and then over there, lucky I was at the time because I met a Chinese also, but he has a special business just like gold shop. Do you understand about the gold shop?
Gold shop.
Yeah, gold shop.
Yeah.
This business is selling just like jewelry at gold shop, earring and then ring and then necklace or such that over there.
Jewelries.
Yeah.
Got it.
I stay over there start in 1983. Because at the time I have a lot of experience, and then I told to the boss, yeah, because it's around of my on the place where I was working over there. There are some of the hotel, That is why, and then I said to the boss, yeah, hello. The name of my boss is Gay Chen.
18.
The Chinese name Gay Chen, yeah. And then I said
What's
to
your
the boss, yeah,
hotel
boss.
name? What is
Hello,
your
boss.
hotel name?
I told to the boss at the time, hello, boss.
Sorry, please, could you
have
tell me what is your hotel name?
gold shop.
Gold shop is your hotel name. You work there as a team leader.
No. Yeah, just like a shopkeeper also.
Okay.
Said,
Yeah, got it. You
yeah,
are the shopkeeper.
like,
You are the shopkeeper of a gold shop.
yeah, that's right.
Okay,
Yeah,
okay.
but I am a leader over there because you know that under my friend over there is the knowledge about everything about the business still under the quality of me. That is why I decided to keep some information to my boss. Yeah, hello, boss. We speak in just like in Chinese. 怎么样 2004 until 2006. So around 4 years. After that, I went on 1 year to 2 years. After
Okay,
that,
Mr.
my
Subarda.
contract finished. Okay?
Yeah, actually, I have a question to you. Actually, definitely already said that I like to communicate with foreigner people and actually so many kind of people. Actually, if sometime I want to make a great conversation with foreigner people. For that, actually, for example, I'm right now actually I'm make actually made this conversation with you, and you're from Indonesia. I'm so happy for that. First time I'm talking to you, who is from Indonesia. So thank you so much for knock me, and thank you so much for join this conversation and give me the time. So actually, I have some actually I have a question to you, and the question is, if I actually for example right now I am speaking to you, and if I record this conversation and if I uploaded this conversation content in my Facebook page, then will you mind?
Yeah. Just okay. But I'm so sorry because you know that my English not is very good. Just
No,
a lot of
okay.
vocabulary.
Okay, Mr. R. Subarda, it doesn't matter. We are just we are friends and we are communicate, just trying to improving our speaking English. It doesn't matter.
Yeah.
I'm also beginner, so it doesn't matter. Definitely, I'm also beginner, and I'm always try to improving our speaking skills. So actually, you are not good at English, and I'm not good at English. It doesn't matter. Just we are trying to making this conversation, and actually, I'm glad to say that this is the first time I'm speaking with actually Indonesian people. For that, I would like to actually record this conversation, and I would like to upload this conversation with my Facebook page, and it will be,
Oh yeah.
and I will be so happy if you give me this permission.
Yeah. Thank you very much. But by the way, I just want to ask you, yeah, about what kind of special language is your mother tongue in Bangladesh?
Okay, actually, I'm from Bangladesh, and our mother tongue is Bengali.
Bengali.
Yeah, do you have any idea of Bengali?
No,
Yeah,
no,
yeah.
no.
Our mother tongue is Bengali. English not our mother tongue. English our second language, and English our international language. Definitely, you know that about this matter. So for that, I love this language, and I try to communicate in this language. But our mother tongue is Bengali.
Oh yeah, yeah. But
So
the other
definitely,
question
yeah. I am.
maybe.
Our mother tongue is Bengali. For that, I am not good at English, but I try to learn it. Okay.
Okay, but one again, that I would like to a lot of experience in life. Yeah,
Yeah.
knowledge. Yeah, knowledge. Okay.
Yes.
How many? How many family in your family?
How many member?
Yeah, how many member?
Actually, there are six member in my family.
Yeah, it is include with your mother and father.
Actually, my parent and I have two sister and one brother, younger brother,
Oh,
with
it
my
is.
parent.
Oh, yes, it is the same like me. Yeah, because you know that
There are six
in
member
my
in my family,
family.
and I am actually third child of my parent.
So good, good. It touches me in Indonesia, yeah, because you know that I also have a family beside of my parent. I mean that father and mother. So I have one brother, and then little brother, and then four sister. So eight person.
Eight
I am
person.
the second. I am the second. And then my brother still alive at the time being. His age is 83 years old.
83 years old.
Yeah, it is
Okay.
around different 3 years. Yeah,
Okay.
from uh, my brother. Yeah,
So
my brother
definitely
and me.
you are married person, right? And do you have any actually son or daughter?
Oh yeah, of course. I was married at the time in 1943. Maybe
Okay.
you haven't already born.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, I understood. Actually, I understood about this matter, and our super the please don't mind. Actually, it's our country right now. It's night time, and it's maybe actually 26 minutes past 9 p.m. right now. So, and I have some appointment today. So, and I didn't complete my dinner. So, right now I would like to
Yeah.
go. And next time, definitely, inshallah, next time talk to you again and make a conversation with you,
Okay.
inshallah. So,
Definitely.
so yeah, talk to you again,
Okay.
and thank you so much for giving your time. And okay, next time talk to you again. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.
Yeah, the same. Yeah, take care of yourself, and I hope everything will be all right. All your family, God bless you all the time. You will get a lot of fortune in life, and then there isn't any hindrance in your life. Then it go smoothly. Okay.
Yeah, inshallah, inshallah. Really, you're
Inshallah.
kind